The hydraulic universal testing machine can be used to test reinforcing bars, steel pipes, steel bars, steel plates, aluminum alloys, profiles, rebars, and many other materials on the tensile strength, tensile failure rate, elongation after fracture, elongations, and many other mechanical tests. It features excellent rigidity and stability, a compact main structure, high rigidity, reasonable stress distribution, smooth operation, and is not prone to shaking, making it suitable for long-term, high-load operations. Leave a comment if you are interested.